welcome to another episode of Earning the Hate. Hey, gun people. I mean, the amount of money that we spend. I'm only putting this on Earning the Hate because cops have zero regard for any laws, and they consistently cause damage to public property, and they never have to pay for it. It's just the taxpayers foot the bill for stupid cops. And then they claim we need more training, we need more cops to fix this. I mean, watching this, I found another video of trains. I mean, cop cars get hit by trains quite a lot. But I love the news story. Sheriff deputy gets sideswiped by train while rushing to save infant. It was an infant call, and the cop ran a freaking barricade and got hit by a train. Unbelievable. So the train goes, here goes the police with our lights. We're protected. We're safe. We're going to go around the arm because we can. Oops.
Oh, my God.
All right, before somebody comes here, man, I can't believe you're laughing. It was minor injuries. He didn't even get hurt. His dumb ass just destroyed a car. Okay? Destroyed a car.
Oh, my God.
And here's a different view. Rick, you should laugh. I think it's hilarious.
Oh my God!
Look, he's like a turtle. He's upside down. Somebody roll him over. He'd be all right. Roll Charlie around. And of course, they try to make it to the cops still a hero, even though he ran through an intersection. He didn't clear. He blindly went around the thing. They're going to make him into a hero. Well, there was a baby that wasn't breathing, Rick. An infant wasn't breathing, and that's why I had to go. Well, that's why the ambulance should go fast. Okay? But regardless, I mean, it just amazes me how cops, it's like they get a free pass and how brainwashed citizens are that you have to support the police even when they cost taxpayers thousands of dollars and they're not held accountable. We still have to protect them to violate our rights every day. It's just crazy.
Oh my God!
And the media, Midland deputy vehicle hit by train, flipped over. Not Midland deputy drove his vehicle in front of a moving train. No. The Midland deputy was just sitting in his vehicle and a train hit him. Look at that headline. It's just crazy.
Waiting for a train to pass.
Media protects government.
One deputy's SUV is observed waiting for the train to pass and then is seen driving immediately over the tracks.
Oh my God!
So now the sheriff of the deputy is going to justify why his troopers did stupid shit. Ready?
Two deputies responding on an emergency call. They had received a 911 call about a baby not breathing and having difficulty, and they were trying to get to it.
A second.
So was it not breathing or having difficulty? You notice how he slid that in? We had a 911 call of a baby not breathing, having difficulty. Oh, it was having difficulty breathing. So it had a cold. So two deputies cost thousands of dollars to taxpayers, and that's okay. Because they were doing a good thing, Rick. Police are good. They're heroes. Calls of baby in distress. Guess what? Here's a tip for all you great freaking two brain cells cops out there. If you don't get to the call, you can't help. Rick, you can't say that. Police are smart. And even if they get hit by trains, they were doing the right thing. Okay. They didn't help the baby. Okay. Anybody want to guess if they showed up and helped the baby? Or if they just cost the taxpayers thousands and thousands of dollars? Take a guess. And while trying to find out more details on the other story, I come across this story. Fort Worth cruiser struck by train, no one hurt. So a cruiser was just struck by a train, wasn't being driven by Fort Worth police. Police didn't park on a railroad track. Police didn't drive over without clearing. No, they didn't do anything wrong. Vehicle was just struck by a train out of the blue. Train driving down the middle of a field. Just ran across the road and hit a police cruiser. Are you freaking kidding me? And listen to the way the cops try to justify this one.
He was hit by a train on West Bolt Street near Hemp Hill behind the Fiesta Mart grocery store. The officer who'd been driving that unit was involved in a foot pursuit at the time. That's the only explanation that Fort Worth Police would give us tonight. Fortunately.
So he was in a foot pursuit, but his car got hit by a train. And that's the only thing that Fort Worth would give. No officers were hurt. Officer safety. Ooh, that's good. Foot pursuit. No other explanation. Look at the car. Thousands of dollars. Nobody's held accountable. You think the cop cares about this? Hell no. He gets a new car. You want to get, I used to tell you, if we had a chase and we thought the guy was going to ram it, we'd always get the oldest cars and try to park them in the road so he'd hit them so we get new cars. Because it wasn't our money. We didn't care. I'm telling you, man, our government is so out of control. Police vehicle hit by train following car chase. Look at this car. Another train. No big deal. Damaged patrol car. A Midland Township police vehicle struck by a train last Friday. Officer checking on a suspicious vehicle. He was doing his job. He didn't do anything wrong. He didn't get in front of the train. The train just jumped the tracks and ran over his car. Are you freaking kidding me? I mean, it's just crazy. Dart light rail train collides with Dallas police vehicle. Collides with it. Just hits it out of the blue. Police vehicle collision. The crash happened at 6. No one was hurt. Perfect. No further details. Cops are just out there parking freaking cars on railroad tracks. It's crazy. In New Zealand, a cop parks his car right here. Gets hit by a train. Train hits police car. We don't know how it happened. Headlines. Police car hit by train. Johnson City. Just hit by train. Nobody was driving it. Police didn't do anything wrong. Just trains jumping off tracks, hitting police cars. Train hits Cedar Rapids police car doing chase. No one hurt. Just hit the police car. Cop wasn't driving it. Didn't drive recklessly. Didn't drive with total disregard. Didn't obey the laws of the road. Just got hit by a police car or train. Middle of nowhere. New Jersey Transit train smashes into police SUV. The train smashed into the police. Wasn't his fault. Wasn't the cop's fault. Wasn't government's fault. Government was just there needing a new police car, and a train jumped and ran over another car. Shocking. Long Beach. Here we are. Long Beach police. Just somehow train hit a cop car. Suddenly today in Long Beach, a train hit a police car. Cop didn't do anything wrong, didn't park anywhere, wasn't where he's supposed to be. Just the train hit a police car. Train hits South Charleston police car doing chase. Well, look at the police car. Government taxpayers, no big deal. It's all right. It's train's fault. If we just had sensible train control, if we had more signs, no trains hitting police cars, all this could be stopped. If we just had more laws, we could stop this carnage. All right, I could go on. It's just agonizing. Police cruiser destroyed by train. Police didn't do anything wrong. Police didn't drive in front of the train. Police didn't run in front of the train. Police didn't put their car in front of a moving train. No. Just suddenly a police cruiser destroyed by a train. The blue line. Man, protecting and serving the shit out of everybody but taxpayers in the freaking country. Just crazy. If we just had more laws that controlled police to stop putting cars in front of trains, we could stop these tragedies. More laws is always the answer. All right, we'll end that there.